Nang ipatupad ang community quarantine sa bansa, isa ang Iriga City sa mga striktong nagpatupad ng mga direktiba sa local government units ng National Interagency Task Force on COVID-19.
Or multi-stakeholder approach.
Sa webinar na inorganisa ng Regional Center for Urban and Environmental Studies ng Mumbai, India, ibinahagi ni Mayor Madel Yurobe Alfilor ang mitigation programs na ginawa ng lungsod ngayong may pandemya ng COVID-19, enhancing the role of multi-stakeholder collaborations for COVID-19 mitigation ang tutok ng talakayan.
The government cannot do it alone. We need community participation. And now we have created our economic recovery team to come up with a local economic recovery plan. Then we are implementing measures now to build back better. Then we're creating partnerships with government agencies, private sectors, and public sectors.
Ilan sa ibinida ng alkalde ang Toda Rescue Project, kung saan ang tricycle drivers na hindi muna makapamasada ay ginawa nilang tagabantay sa checkpoints. Ibinahagi rin niya ang paggamit ng digital contact tracing app para mabawasan ang exposure ng frontliners sa suspected COVID-19 patients. Giit ni Mayor Madel, kailangang nag-uugnay at hindi nagdudulot ng pagkawatak-watak ang pamumuno at politika sa panahon ng pandemya.
We must learn first how to bridge leadership. We have to bridge the politics, the leaders, and to bridge to the community, meaning bridging differences and bridging collaboration, which usually compose of three segments. First is ownership, meaning bridging leader values and principles.
Umaasa ang organizer ng webinar na magagamit ng mga dumalo rito ang best practices ngayong may pandemya na ginawa ng mga resource speaker sa nasasakupan nila.